how to place a futures bet on Caesars Sportsbook. So if you wish to place a futures bet on Caesars Sportsbook, it is actually quite very simple. First of all, you want to log and open the Caesars Sportsbook application, and then you want to simply make sure to log into your account. So let me just go ahead and then select my application right here and open it up. Once done, you can tap on the profile icon from the top right to log in. Once you're logged in, you have to simply go to the sport. So you can navigate through the menu icon here, go to a certain sport that you wish to basically place a futures bet on, and there you can simply find the futures market. So in this case, you can see future bets. I can tap on this future bet, and these are the games that are available for future betting. Now I can simply select any of the games that I want over here, and I can browse the futures options, tap on the odds of my preferred selection right here. So I can view the selection and add them right like this, and once I've added them, I'll be able to place and enter my stake and place the bet. Now futures bet typically take longer to settle since they depend on season long outcomes, and you can track them under the my bet section in the app. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then place a futures bet on Caesars Sportsbook. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.